Have you ever wondered why you aren't able to manage your kids in the classroom? Have you ever wondered why your kids aren't attentive and paying attention to your lesson? Well, before you start thinking about becoming a teacher, I'm here to tell you that I have found the answer to your solutions. We are going to be talking about positive classroom discipline. In this scenario, Sarah has chosen to not complete her assignments. She is constantly being distracted and socializing with the other students that are around her area. Sarah is having a difficult time completing these assignments, and we are wondering how should Mr. Torres react to her behavior. Have you ever wondered why the students aren't paying attention in your class? Well, I'm going to give you solutions to have them be more attentive in the classroom. We're going to be going over limit setting through body language. So what happens is when your students are not paying attention in class, the first thing that you are going to want to do is you're going to want to give them eye contact. Let them know that you are the teacher and that you are watching their actions. All right, guys, so today we're going to be going over exponential notation. So what happens here is you have two set of numbers and you have one value x and you also have a value for n. So the way this works is x is going to be one number and n is going to be another number. Right there. The first thing you do is you make eye contact when you notice that that student is not paying attention. You let them know that you are watching them and you are seeing the actions that they are doing. When you make eye contact with the student is already going to understand that the teacher is looking at them and they should get back to their work. All right, you guys, so what's going to happen here is x is going to be equal to 3. This is going to be our example, and n is going to be equal to 4. So what happens here is you multiply 3 by itself the number of times that n would be. So just out of your curiosity, it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And stop. You notice as the teacher that eye contact is not working for you. So what you want to do is you want to start getting closer to the student. You want to start getting closer to that fit with that proximity, allowing them to know that you are watching their actions, you're seeing what they are doing, and you understand that they are not paying attention and their eyes need to be focused on the board. All right, you guys, so you get, right now we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So it's 3 to the power of 4 times. So what we're going to do right here is to break it up, make it easier for you. You multiply 3 times 3, you're going to get 9 right here, and then also right here you're going to get 9 as well. When you multiply both of these together, you're going to get 81, which is 9 times 9, and that would be your answer for this question right here. When you get closer to the student, one thing that you should do is you should reason and inform them of the classroom rules that were placed in the beginning of the semester. All right, Sarah, you know that if you get your homework done and you get your assignments done, you'll be able to have the free time that we have allowed. And if you want the free time, you have to be able to finish the assignments that are given to you. If you don't finish the assignments, then you don't have the free time. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna go over some more examples. Right there. You reason with them, you make good facial expressions, you're not breathing too difficult, and with the student you're also able to reason and so that way they understand that this is the free time that they have. If they don't finish that assignment, they're not gonna have that free time. All right, you guys, so once you are done with these examples, then y'all can pack up and y'all can get ready for your next class. That was the positive classroom discipline, and it is very effective in most of these districts. When we went out to 15 districts in San Antonio, 13 of them were very pleased with our presentation, and they also used it in their classroom management, and which also resulted in them noticing a change in their classroom. When these classroom management strategies are taught effective in the classroom, that is when the students are very engaging, and that is when they learn more. Also, the good thing about our positive classroom discipline is they It also allows for the teacher to add their own expertise. They can add whatever they like, change up whatever they like. And so if you would definitely want to set us up for a meeting and you want to see more techniques that we have to offer, definitely give us a call at 210-348-2835. And once again, thanks for the positive classroom discipline that you have been teaching us.